So many memories.
So many memories. And one of the things that stands out to me is the fact that that was at the beginning of the pandemic.
Yep.
Remember, I just started online school.
May 12, 2020.
Oh my gosh.
May 12, 2020.
Wow.
And what went into that montage was just some snippets of some of the stuff that was happening at our home, stuff from the cuffs.
Mm-hmm.
And that
At
logo.
school.
Who designed the logo for me again? I never remember.
Somebody from school.
Is Eric?
One of your students, no.
The first one, wow.
The first one. I don't remember who, but Eric redesigned it.
Yeah,
but somebody, one of your students, did the first one.
Wow.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video right here on Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, we're fun,
We're inspirational.
we're real,
And we're educational.
Listen, today's video is all about watching our first YouTube video 2 years on, and
She may cry.
Ah,
Quick. Just telling you guys.
we are excited, and we just looked at our very first montage. Yeah, our very first montage. Yeah, so we just looked at our very first montage, which
I created.
it was good, babe. It was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bria is teaching me about the plural of octopus.
Right.
Which is octopi.
Yes.
I didn't think it was that. I thought it was something else. Right? Not octopussy. I'll mute that right there.
Yeah, so we just looked at our first montage. How did you feel? Just first
From
of
a
all, the
technical
sound.
perspective, yeah, the sound just
The
made my heart
sound,
start feel all
yeah.
sorts of way. But from a
Very
technical
nostalgic.
perspective, that was embarrassing, man.
Oh God, babe, it's because you've grown.
Post that. I would do that. I mean, I'm not the best montage creator, but that was not it.
No, it was it. It was it for us, and it worked for us for the time that it did, and we loved it.
And reading some of the comments underneath, people were so excited.
Yeah.
Can't wait, can't this, can't that. You guys love us, right?
Thank you guys, and we love you too. We love you too.
Yeah. So our first video was a story time, and it was premiered on May 15, 2020. And we have over 12,000 views.
That one.
Yeah, I'm just liking the video from my account. Right?
110 comments. A big deal.
Wow. Now let's go. Like, who are these people on the screen first and foremost?
Need to hear it.
Wow. Oh, sorry.
Working on it. The reason being, we start a private, even though we're public. So we are.
Pause. What was I wearing? Like, I just pull on a sweater. I couldn't even groom myself.
Watch your head.
Just brush up and.
It just make it just go so.
Wow.
Well, I was
Yeah, you always dress up.
fully dressed up. Brian had to tell me, you're not going to have to put on
Church.
makeup all the time and whatever.
Look like a Sunday service.
Lies. That's what it looks like. I watch your phone on the chair side.
Capture audio? No, we weren't.
No, we
just
weren't
using
doing
the phone.
audio.
Yeah, this was straight.
This was a
footage.
phone footage.
Yeah.
So we didn't have any cameras or any lights at the
Right.
time. So at the time we had the desk lamp each up in the...
We tied it on our chandelier.
Yeah.
And allowed it to
So,
hang down to give us some light.
Alright.
Careful with how we put out and what we put
Show me
out.
face.
So that is why.
Nervous. Yeah, if you realize, I probably talk a lot more and
Yeah.
lead out, and she was more like, okay, now she can't stop chatting. Right? So she was so soft spoken and thinking about what she wants to say.
Before I said it. Well, it's a while, but I have been very hesitant. Mainly because I am camera shy.
She is.
Yeah.
Even though people would be like,
Sound effects.
she knows the limelight.
I don't like and I prefer to be heard and not seen, which is why I don't do a lot of lives either. So I prefer to be, and this was way before TikTok, way before me being a social media personality, that kind of thing. This was a year before that. So YouTube actually helped me to come out of my shell. So yeah. Yes. But I'm very shy. Shy to the point that, and Brian can tell you, if we go somewhere, say we go to church or somewhere and everybody is sitting, like in church, like at the part of the service where everybody is sitting, I prefer to wait until like a song is singing and everybody's standing before I go inside. So yeah.
Alright, we're skipping for a little, going fast forward. And this was what
We think she's kind of too young for that. So when she gets a little older,
And
maybe.
the truth is, as much as we want to police her, we wouldn't be able to keep up with her. She has her
She
phone
wants to
sometimes
go.
and she's doing all these videos.
She wants to do it 24 hours a day.
Hi guys, we're doing this video check. So what we do
the tour.
That was in the pandemic justice and I was doing a lot of those things.
faces, eyes, my face, and nose. So
Who are the cups?
Bria was 3.
Wow. She's still making videos, guys. She's doing a lot of editing now.
CapCut editing and all kind of things.
And we're still not giving her a platform yet, so don't worry. In time.
You and then
Who are the cuffs? Me and you, and Bella and Bria. No, sir. No, if you ask her, what the cuffs are, she won't start.
totally different person.
Right, yeah, so no.
Okay, so who are the cops in terms of us? Who are we? Basilia is.
Yeah, and she went on to speak about how long she's been in media. Yeah, and then I said, who is Brian? And I went on to speak about how long I've been in media.
Then we played a game, right?
And we spoke about some of the stuff that we like, some of the shows that we think are our favorite shows and all of that, I think.
Maybe two girls.
Y'all should see
Around us.
us.
Yeah, so we were in our living room and we just
Parted the Red
parted
Sea,
the Red Sea of
literally.
cars and created a little area. We didn't have this space where we are right now. We didn't have the devices we have right now. We didn't have much of what we have right now, and it comes as a testament as to our growth and to how we've grown as individuals, as a couple, as a family, and we're just really grateful.
I remember there was a time when we used to record on Brian's DSLR, which is a camera that is used specifically for pictures.
We couldn't see.
Sometimes we record videos and we don't know where they are.
We're talking. Battery dead a long time. We can't
We
see
don't
the
know.
screen. And we're there. We go around and we'll be like, oh, they stopped recording. That was rough.
It was. I think one of the time,
You got fed up.
very much so, because we would just finish a posh episode that we think is just fire, and then we realize. And then you can't really reenact, you can't really replicate, that's the word. You can't really replicate, especially some of the emotions and excitement. So we just never bother do it again. And then sometimes we recorded and there was no audio. And we could not figure out, but we knew that the camera was not made but we were trying because obviously we didn't have anything else other than the phone. So we're trying something new and that was so stressful.
I gave a list of my extensive family. I gave a little bit, about 7 family trees. And you gave your one.
My one, right?
Your two Barnabas and Reed, right? And, we just spoke about our family, and now you guys would definitely be a part of that family tree. You've been with us through thick and thin. And literally, like if you look on us now, we've grown thicker. Yeah, we were really thin then. I think I have gained at least 20 pounds.
I have not lost much, so I think I just full out. Because I think I look the same weight-wise,
Yeah,
right?
you do look the same.
Yeah, weight-wise.
You
Because
do look the same.
Bella was still young.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah, you've been consistent.
Yeah.
I
Been
remember that
consistent.
Bella was born.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bella was not... Yeah, she was 1.
What was that?
The tea bag and the teacup. Play that part.
Oops.
We were asking what the things that annoy you. When I... What, babe? Yeah, confused with the counting. Babe.
Alright, never
Yeah.
count number mine already.
Right. So I should answer the same question?
Yeah.
Alright, he doesn't like when I leave the tea bag in a cup. He doesn't like when I leave empty anything.
Time. Watch this. Watch this.
She still does it.
She just drink a cup of tea. I want to make sure you can see it, you know.
Tea bag still in there.
Tea bag with it.
Can't see.
Good.
Yeah.
Tea bag in there.
But you don't reach on the kitchen yet? Your son vexed. Oh, that come in.
Yeah, I was trying to entertain you guys. You make it over,
Pet
right?
peeve and she's still doing it. We need to talk about that on the topic. How do we deal with pet peeves? But alright.
You just ignore it, so that you must do.
Let's go.
You never win.
What do you mean, Auntie Andre, Auntie Dilla? What? You never
never
call
got
me
that?
out. You never say me never get it.
Babe, how can you say Angie and Angela?
And then go 4-4. Last
It's
one.
3-3. No, it's 4-4.
Last one.
Last one. Alright. Name.
Strict panic time. No, me turn. My turn.
No. You just asked for pet peeves.
Watch my red watch.
Alright.
Name 3 of my bridging them who are more like brothers.
Yeah, you can answer that still? Ooh. And go.
Mikey. Worldwide. Jerome.
And we shared Jerome's 1,000,001 names.
Names.
Worldwide, J-Dub, Kujo, Mulo, J. Yeah.
And go.
Mikey Speed.
Yeah, you see him.
Elroy.
Well, yeah.
And Worldwide.
Name worldwide. Nobody don't know the man name worldwide. Nobody don't know it. Worldwide, I don't know name. So we
You don't know name
tell
Worldwide?
the people who name worldwide. www. Worldwide web.
Oh, something was in my lap. My phone, you hear
Jerome,
it?
I'm nickname Jerome.
I
Jerome.
can't keep up.
Jerry, Kuja Mula, worldwide. Why did you say that?
Jago Vega.
Remember he said one. But yeah, you got
His name is Jerome.
Alright.
Me get it right?
So we'll call it.
Me
a
get
tie.
it right?
We will call it a
No,
tie.
I'm the win.
Oh, you're the win.
So you never get the
And
one.
this was the first of my many victories in,
Right?
in our challenge.
Listen, I was just waiting on
I've
that.
always been winning and I'm still winning. I'm winning! I'm winning!
Alright, guys, that's it for today.
Remember to like, subscribe.
Bria used to always do this too. I was like, that's not me.
We'll have another video for you soon. This has been Stuff from the Cups. And this was before.
Bloopers.
And this was before we came up with the fire thing. And you tell me say it never record.
Oh yes, because you see that same thing that you talk about when your ear set never record how you would react. You know?
And that was before we came up with fire. That was before we came up with tenants. How did we come up with tenants in the building?
I don't know. I don't remember. If we watch videos till we find out.
Yeah,
what came
I
up.
think I know I came up with it, but I can't remember what sparked it.
People used to in the comments and saying we are tenants. And the whole discussion about what a tenant is versus our guest.
Probably.
We used to say those who are passing by and people started saying, no, we're tenants, we're paying rent. And
then we just played on it, yeah.
And then, well, we used to do, coming up in our next video, and we showed Bria. This was where Bria...
It was when we used to record many videos at a time.
She revealed herself and she had a video where she did her DJ.
And when you see me, oh my god, she was so small!
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm going to call her and make she see. Bria, come here. Bria. You're her.
Big woman now, you know?
Coming. I want you to watch something.
Come here, come my lap.
Let's see how you respond to it.
What?
See how big she's, guys?
Ready? Move your hands around your face.
What? My name's Bree. What? My see me. What? This one see. What? My face. I am the cuff. And I also the key.
Remember that? Huh? You were 3 years old.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let me show you another one. And you tell us how you feel about watching yourself.
And what she's doing all these videos.
She wants to do it 24 hours a day.
Hi guys, we're doing this video challenge. So what we do is this. See what we did, guys?
See what we did?
Faces, eyes, smile face, and nose. So
Yeah, who are the cups?
That was you. How you feel about when you watch yourself as a baby?
I feel embarrassed.
You embarrassed?
She feels such being
Why?
embarrassed.
Because I'm watching it in front of everybody.
Because why? We're not hearing you.
Because I'm
You have to talk
Oh, you
louder.
have to talk properly.
Because I'm watching it in front of everybody.
Oh, you're watching yourself in front of everybody. And people used to say, oh my, look at little Bria. Oh, she's so sweet.
Yes, guys, she's growing up. Alright, you can go, Mama. She's growing up, so she's into that. I don't know what even to tell you. Because, I don't know. I'm not ready. I'm not ready, but yeah. Yeah, so reading some of the comments, feeling very nostalgic.
Yeah.
And we thank you guys for being a part of our journey. 2 years on, hopefully many more years to come. And we thank you for always watching, always sharing, always leaving a comment, and for just being a part of the Cufflinks family, especially when we're soon on road. Thank you guys. We love you. We appreciate you. And stay tuned for the next video.
Surprises and giveaways. Alright, see you then.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light.